What's the difference between a stock suspension system and an Eibach system? With Eibach, your vehicle not only looks more aggressive, it also gains more responsive cornering and improved stability. How much better? We're about to show you 3 testing maneuvers: a slalom test, a full-on braking test, and a divided traction braking test. Our driver, of course, is a professional. On the left, you see a current BMW 3 Series with the stock BMW suspension system. On the right is the same model, but with an Eibach Sport System Plus, a full-on sport suspension package with precisely matched springs, dampers, and anti-roll bars. We will also show you a more conservative approach, replacing the stock springs with Eibach Pro-kit springs alone. Pro-kit performance springs lower your vehicle up to 40 millimeters. Sport System Plus springs, as shown here, lower it up to 50 millimeters. At Eibach, striking the right balance is key. We never lower a vehicle so much that its overall performance and handling are compromised. We run this slalom at a steady 45 miles per hour. The road surface is slightly wet, which will make things a little more challenging. Here is the standard suspension. Look and listen to how the vehicle handles. Next, the Eibach Pro-kit performance springs. And third, the full Sport System Plus. Listen here as well. No more squealing tires, but instead an obvious improvement. All our kits lower the vehicle's center of mass, and the Eibach-tuned dampers and anti-roll bars of the Sport System Plus reduce body roll even more. Let's watch again. The lower center of mass reduces weight transfer and improves performance and control in braking as well. We will do maximum effort braking, again from 45 miles per hour. With the stock suspension, the front end dives dramatically, while the rear rises, concentrating excessive weight on the front tires and brakes. With Pro-kit performance springs, the diving effect is significantly less. And now, Sport System Plus. At maximum braking, the body stays almost horizontal, thanks to precisely engineered dampers and springs. And the less the front goes down, the more weight remains on the rear tires, resulting in a significantly shorter braking distance. What happens when you have different traction on each side? Here, the right side is extremely slippery, while the left side is on normal pavement, as though the right side of the car is aquaplaning. With the standard suspension, the vehicle swerves wildly when the brakes are applied. The right wheels have less grip, so the car starts to turn, but on the soft stock springs, the car's mass follows the tires too slowly, allowing the car to swerve back and forth. Now with Eibach Pro-kit springs, the car is much more controlled, even in this challenging situation. Eibach Sport System Plus. The car's motion is being kept stable by the stiffer performance-tuned springs, anti-roll bars, and Eibach-tuned dampers. Eibach suspension technology makes your car more stable and more controllable under virtually any condition. The only world-class components engineered with the will to win.